All right, guys, we are going to be doing a cabin air filter replacement on our 2017 GX460. This is pretty simple. They do recommend just, I'm going to say probably yearly. I mean, really for most people. If you do just basically highway miles, you could probably get away with maybe a couple of years out of it. But you get any kind of dusty environment or it's super wet or anything like that, you may be looking at doing it about every year. But 15 to 30,000 miles, good rule of thumb. But let's get into this real quick and I'll show you just how easy it is to get into your glove box, remove everything out of the way, and we're going to get behind that little door there. All right, guys, you see these little tabs here at the top. You can even one-handed operation, get in there to that. Behind that, you're gonna have this little tab here on each side. We're gonna remove that out of the way. All right, orientation, up. Now at this point, I'm gonna have to probably get the other hand involved here. So let's try to get this camera down if we can. Get it, come on, come on. Oh man, look at that rotor. All right, get our Toyota filter. It's an 87 139 07020. Now, some arrows denote the flow of air. Generally, with a factory replacement, the arrow does point up. It is so. If you're wondering, and you got a factory one, we're going to be installing it with the arrow pointed up. Yep, there we go. Push that in there. Okay, and we're going to try to do this with one hand. Oh yeah, look at that. How easy is that? And you're done. Super, super easy. All right, all you gotta do is replace everything you just dug out of your glove box there. All right. Trash. All right, guys, you can see, super easy. Anybody can handle that. That is basically, let's see, you got the step, removing the stuff out of the glove box. You got the step, taking the first little door off, the second door off. You're up to 3, removing the filter, replacing the filter. So like what I said, 5 steps. I mean, it is super easy, about 2 minutes of your time, and you've got fresh smelling air. Well, at any rate, guys, this is my first ownership experience with a GX460. So if you want to follow along with all of my experiences getting this vehicle up to spec, getting everything fixed on it that needs to be fixed, please subscribe and follow along. You guys have a blessed day. I will see you around.